Hi friends, how are you? Today we will learn sh letter. First I will tell you that s letter makes s letter makes sound s and h letter makes sound h. But if they together then it makes sound sh. In the screen you can't see that, but in this letter two letters are joined. So let's start the story and song. For SNH makes sound sh. Right. Now I will show the action first. Now pretend like I am holding the baby. Okay. This is my baby. And suppose the noise is coming. Pretend like the noise is coming. Then wait for the action. Keep your index finger on your lips and make a sound. This is the and for the sound make a sound. This is the action of letter sh. Now I will show you S and H letter sound. Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be quiet as you can be. The baby's sleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh. Friends, why are you sitting here? There, come on, sing with me again. Hush, 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 don't make a sound. Be quiet as you can be. The baby sleep and I'm tired out. Shh, 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 shh. Now it's time for sh letter words. Sh. Shop. Shop means, suppose I wish to eat lollipops. Then Mama take me to the market and bring me lollipops. Shirt. Shirt means when the clothes you don't know clothes, then you can say to clothes shirt. And for you want to say in shirt, then you will say mommy. The shop sells shirting. Shirt is like this. Ship. Ship means when it is big boat, that boat called ship. Wish. Wish means if I want to wish, then I wish to eat the lollipops. 3 lollipops. For shift. Fish. Fish means Mama, I want to eat fish. Fish is coming. Flash. Flash means pretend like light is gone. Then I will tell Mama that Mama, put on your mobile flashlight. That means flash. And do you know flash is coming? Shark means in the river there is shark. And do you know he has strangled teeth, and that teeth are very dangerous. Why do you know? Because it's very sharp like a needle. Shell means when we go to beach and there is sand, right? Then in the sand we can find shell, right? Sheep. Sheep means there are two sheep. One boat sheep and one pet animal sheep. This sheep I am saying that pet animal sheep. And I will tell on the sheep meaning I will tell you this. That if I want to purchase sheep, then I will tell mommy, can you purchase me sheep? That is the meaning of sheep. Brush means when we wake up, then it's time for brush, mama says, right? Crash means if the rain is coming and down is one teapot, and that teapot is very delicate and on the table, and that table is also delicate. Okay, then that thunderstorm crash is coming. Shower means when we wanted to bath like a rain, then we use shower to bath. Squash means when we wash some clothes, right? Then we squash means put out of the water, right? That means squash. Here are Shoes means when the stones, there are a lot of stones. Then we use shoes, and that shoes have one tie, means a rope, because if we wear only shoes and not tying the rope, then we can hurt with the stone. That's why we got wave with that rope. Shrinking means pretend like in my hand it is one cheese. Okay, then when I eat, it started to shrink, right? Now this is the last word. Shed means where the cows stay at home, called shed. This shall later words are finished. Hello friends, now be ready to hear the story. Hear carefully. S makes sound S, right? And H makes sound H. But if they joined, the both later make sound sh. In this story, there was mother, and that mother have two kids. One was girl and one was boy. The boy name was Shaw, and the girl name is Sharon. And do you know, when in night Mama was allowing Sharon to sleep. Okay, then Shaw was in that room. Okay, and he was playing with drum and making the sound. Dum 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 dum. Playing with piano and making the sound. Dum 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 dum. Playing with the drum, playing with the piano. Then Mama was taking her index finger and making sound. Shh, shh. Still making a sound. Dun, 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 dun. Playing with the ball. Then Mama said, go downstairs. Then Sharon said, sorry Mama. Shh. Slowly. Sorry Mama. Slowly. Sorry Mama. Then Mama said, go downstairs. Go. Then what happened, do you know? Then thanks God, he was making sound, playing with the piano, playing with the ball. Then The mother said to her baby girl that sleep now that noise is gone. This is the story of Shah letter. Now let's spot some Shah letter pictures. Now I will tell you what we learn in this story. We learn that whenever mama got a birth, then the baby is sleeping, right? Then you have to be quiet, not like making sound, dam 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 dam, playing with the piano, playing with a ball. And now let's spot some SNH letter pictures. Now I will show you how to write sh. Now look here, friends. Now start from the dotted blue line. Okay, and make a S letter. Then don't lift your hand and make a sleeping line and curve like this. Then on the same line, then make a standing line. Then trace on that slim line and make a bumpy pattern and small loop. I will show you again. Now make a S letter. Then don't lift your hand, friends. Then make a sleeping line and little bit bump. Okay, like I did. Then on that same bump, go down and make a standing line. Then make again lot of bump. Okay, then make a little loop. This is the formation of letter Sh. Thanks for watching my video.